the second question is, how will you remove the file? Rename the file. Because if you have accessed any computer or hacked any computer, or you will hack any computer, so if you want to be store your virus or the malware or the malicious content, so ultimately you need to be rename your file. Because if your file is a virus.txt, so every word virus dot anything like sh, so anybody can easily identify this is the virus. So that is the reason you need to be rename the file. If you want to rename the file, so how you can rename the file? Like mb command is used for the renaming the file. Generally this command is used for the moving the file or the anything file or the folder from one location to another location. Like I want to be file.txt, move this file inside the rhcsa, then sessions and session 1. That's it. I am going to move here inside the rhcsa. Okay, so give the correct path and hit enter. Your file has been moved. You can check here. If you want to be copy the file, so you can if you want to be move the file with the file 1.txt, but I want to change the name of the file, so I can give the new name here, file.txt. Okay, new file name. So what it will, this command will do, this command will rename the file. Now you can check here, the new name of the file has been displayed, file.txt. So this is the mb command is used for the two things. One is a moving the file, another is a renaming the file. Okay, if you want to be move the command from one location to another location, like now the file is file.txt, I want to move inside this folder CSA, but at the time of the moving from one location to another location, I also want to be change the name. So mb underscore file dot txt, this is the moving file with the new name. Okay, so now I am hitting enter. So ls inside the rhcsa, if I will see here, or you can say the mb file.txt is exist. In my current directory, there is a no file. Okay, so these are the methods where you can move the file or rename the file. Are you understanding? Now, another command is copy the file. Move the file, copy the file, and delete the file. If you want to copy the file, then you will use the cp command here. Cp is used for the copy. Cp is copy, but now you need to give the source address here, and then you need to give the destination. Okay. Now, in a source address, I want to be from the inside the rhcsa. So rhcsa, the name is a file.txt. I want to be moved inside the Kumar, inside the home, then Kumar, and then training. Okay, inside the training, I want to this file copy from this location to this location. And now I am using the ls, and you can check here the file 1.txt has been copied from the rhcsa folder. This is rhcsa folder to this folder. Okay, now I'm checking here this file, and also when I will check inside the rhcsa this directory, I found the file.txt is exist there as well as exist here. So what is the copy means? Copy means the original file will be renamed or will be same, and the newer file will be created with the same name. If you want to be with a different name, then you can, how you will do or how will you deal, like copy with the file. I need to here the mb file.txt, and I want to be rename this file. Means at the time of the copy, the file will be store with the new name. So what I will do, I will use here the file name. Any file name you can give here. It just depend on you, on the which name you want to be moved. Okay. So here it is. Now you can see here the file.txt. This is the old file, and file1.txt are the copy of this file. Okay. So at the time of the copying from source to destination, we can change the name, but I need to assign the name of the destination file. Got it, guys? And if you want to delete files, so you can simply rm command is used for the removing the files. Like inside the RSCSA, I want to remove the mb.file.txt, and here it is, no more exists. I want to remove the file.txt as well, so I can provide the file.txt and no more exist. Okay. So rm command is used for the removing any files in a directory. Also, you can remove in a bulk. You can provide the bulk name. Either you can provide some type of the wildcard or something. Also, you can provide. So what all the things related to the wildcard, like inside the file 1.txt and file.txt, there is two files. I want to remove the file, and even both file is starting with the file and file that dot 1.txt. If there is a multiple files, like I am creating the multiple file, touch and file 2.txt and file 3 and creating the file 4, and else there is a multiple files. I want to remove these files. So what I will use? I will use the simple command is rm and give the file. Now, because each file is starting with this name file, so I need to use the wildcard. So what the wildcard means, whatever the things exist after this, no matter what is the character after this or the word after this, remove all the files. Now you can say all the files has gone. So it is called wildcard. Wildcard can be used for removing everything. Okay, so it is all about the text and removing the directory. If you want to be remove the directory, there is a two option. One is a rmdir command, which is used for the removing directory. Another command is a rm only. If I am going to use the help option, so you can see, check here, if you want to remove the directory, so you need to provide the -d option. But there is a one condition, and that condition is you can only remove the empty directory. Okay, no problem. I am going to create a one directory here, mkdir and dir directory, and this is, if I will use this rmdir2, I am going to create this one. So if I am going to remove this directory, so I can use the rmdir command and give the directory name and hit enter. Unless the directory has been removed. But when I will remove this command rmdir and I will provide the RSCSA, now I am getting the error. What is the error? Directory is not empty. If directory is not empty, there is a files inside a directory or any subdirectory inside a directory, so you cannot remove. In this case, you will use the rm command, also -d and -d and RSCSA. So what is the error? The same error. Directory is not empty. If I am using the directory 2 and it is removed, but at the time of the removing the RSCSA, so it is getting, I am getting the error by using the both command rmdir and rm. So how we can remove? If I go back and I am using the rm help command, this command, so it will give the some another options. Hyphen r command is used remove the directories and their content also. So hyphen r we need to be used to remove the directory and their content. So how I can we do rm hyphen r and give the name of the RSCSA. Here is gone, nothing. Okay. So this is all about how you can create a directory, how you can move the directory, how you can rename the directory, how you can copy the directory and the folders and the files. So it is all about the working with the directory. So do you have any questions?